Hello and welcome to Steelmade. My name is Annie, and in this video I am going to be talking about our pizza peel. Is a high quality pizza peel for sliding, turning, or retrieving your pizza from the oven. It is 100% made in the USA using American aluminum. It is made out of 14 gauge aluminum. It is dishwasher safe with a comfortable vinyl foam hand grip. Super Smooth Aluminum Pizza Peel is the professional's tool of choice, giving all pizza lovers the perfect surface to stretch out dough, add their favorite toppings, and launch it in their oven. Just remember to sprinkle your pizza peel with flour or cornmeal beforehand to help your perfect pizza to slide with ease. If you have any questions about our Steelmade Pizza Peel, please contact us at info@steelmadeusa.com or visit our website steelmadeusa.com and chat with one of our support agents. Thank you and have a great day.